news. The monstrous storm in Buffalo, New York, stranded a bus full of 10 South Koreans. Alex and Andrea Campagna took them into their home for 2 nights and offered food and shelter.
When you see 10 strangers coming your way, there's no time to really debate that. You know you want to get them inside.
Yes, that's right.
Socks, blankets, anything that we could do to warm them up.
It's like, I met angels, and they're like Samaritans, They made my honeymoon so great. They're unforgettable.
This cold winter turned from a disaster into an unforgettable Christmas well spent with family. 71% of you that watch this channel don't subscribe. If you've ever enjoyed the channel, could you please do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button?